Hello everyone again. Today's video is about question number 21 from 2019 Standard Maths exam. This question came from the topic of investments, which is topic 13 in our study matrix on StudyNinja website. So we go to investments, and this one was related to dividend and shares. And generally these kind of questions are the easy ones. So we go here, and they don't appear that often, so it was quite rare to have this appearing. So let's open this one. So the question is telling you that a person owns 1,526 shares, where each share is valued $8.75. The total dividend that person received is $1,068.2. So what is the dividend yield? So let's take this out again. So here's the question. First, we need to understand what is a dividend yield. Dividend yield is simply, let me write it down. Dividend yield is the dividend that you receive divided by the investment that you have made. Basically, it's a return on your investment. So, what is the investment that the person has made? So, 1526 shares, each valued at 8.75. So you need to multiply the two to get the total value of the share, total value of the investment, right? So that number is, let's put it in the denominator, 1526 multiplied by 8.75. And the dividend you received is 1068.2. 1068.2. Solving this will give you dividend yield, which would be about 8%.